Today we take you to the largest Toyota factory in America, where every day those cars are made that are giving direct competition to BYD and Tesla. The name is Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky, i.e., TMMK, the world's largest Toyota factory. This factory is not only big in appearance, but its way of working is also amazing. Imagine a new car is made here every 60 seconds. That means every minute a new Toyota is ready to run on the roads. More than 2,000 cars are made here in a whole day. That too with a fixed timeline and tremendous quality. Toyota's hybrid and gas engine cars like Camry, RAV4 Hybrid, and Lexus ES are made here, which are specially designed for the US market. But the question is Toyota now preparing to leave Tesla and BYD behind in the race of electric and hybrid? What is going on in this factory is not just manufacturing, but the beginning of an upcoming automobile revolution. How are cars made in this factory? And how will Toyota's next big move shake up the EV market? What kind of technology is used to make cars here? And how does Toyota make batteries for its cars here? Let's take a peek inside the factory. But before that, if you want the real inside story of technology and automobiles first, then subscribe to our channel. Now just imagine, you look at your watch for a minute, and by the time that 1 minute is over, a shiny new car is ready to roll out of Toyota's factory. As surprising as this sounds, its process is equally interesting. In Toyota's TMMK factory in Kentucky, USA, one car is made every 60 seconds, i.e., 1 minute. And this is not magic, but the result of amazing technology and super planning. Toyota uses techniques like lean manufacturing, Kaizen, and just-in-time in this factory. Lean manufacturing means absolutely no wastage. Everything is used judiciously. That is, neither excess material is stored nor time is wasted unnecessarily. Whatever is needed, whenever it is needed, that thing reaches the factory at that very moment. Because of this, the production runs in a flow, and one car is made every minute. Now let's talk about Kaizen. This is a Japanese concept which means continuous improvement. Through this system, Toyota keeps improving each of its sections a little bit every day. That is, how the machines are working, how efficient the workers are, where the time is being wasted, all these are constantly monitored. And from there, the speed of making the car also increases. And then comes the just-in-time system, which is considered to be Toyota's trademark. This means that the part that is needed reaches at the time when it is to be put on the assembly line. This does not require extra storage, nor does the material lie here and there. Everything is available at its place on time. This entire process is so precise that a car is ready every minute, and that too without any hurry. But brother, all this cannot be done by just humans. Here, technology has given a new look to the speed and performance of the entire factory. The most advanced thing of today's time in TMMK factory is AI and robotics. Now it is not that humans do not work here. In fact, there is a great coordination between humans and machines. In some parts like body assembly or welding, the work is completely handed over to robots. These robots work with such precision that there is no error of even a millimeter. At the same time, AI, artificial intelligence, monitors every section, like which part is placed where, which section is taking how much time, where is any obstruction coming. Everything is controlled in one click. AI sensors even check the quality of the parts of the vehicles. If there is even a slight defect in any part, they immediately alert it. That means where earlier something could have been missed by the eyes of a human, now AI catches it. This not only makes production faster, but also more reliable. Due to these technologies, the process of making vehicles in the Toyota factory runs very cleanly and quickly, as if the hands of a clock are moving exactly on time. And the biggest thing is that Toyota is improving this system every day. That is, AI is being made smarter, robots are being made more multitasking, and workers are being trained and better connected to new technology. This is the reason why TMMK factory today is not just a place to make cars, but has become a university of automation. What is happening here will become tomorrow's factory standard. Companies like Tesla and BYD may be ahead in electrics, but this Toyota factory is giving them tough competition in supporting speed and quality. Toyota's Kentucky factory, i.e., TMMK, is not just a world of machines and cars, but every day more than 8,000 people are taking the entire automotive industry forward with their skills, hard work, and passion. The people working here are no less than a family. Someone is painting. Someone is assembling parts on the assembly line. Someone is testing batteries. Everyone has an important role, and every person is given full respect for his work. Toyota believes that if the workers are happy, the quality of the car will automatically be unmatched. Due to this thinking, a lot of emphasis is laid on the training of workers here. When any new employee comes to this factory, he is not directly made to stand in front of the machines. First, he is given training at every level, whether it is related to safety, technology, or teamwork. Toyota treats its employees like humans, not like machines. The environment here is clean, calm, and focused. Safety rules are followed in every section, and every worker is given full safety gear like helmets, gloves, uniforms, etc. Apart from this, machines are also equipped with sensors and AI that alert immediately in case of any danger. This means that human life and property are completely protected. And not only this, the health of the workers is also taken care of here, like regular health checkups, relaxation zones during break time, and health insurance facilities. Now talking about innovation, Toyota is not only innovative in making cars, but also takes new ideas from its employees. Every few times, Kaizen sessions are held in the factory where workers are asked where improvements can be made. This means that every voice is heard from top to bottom. If a worker feels that a task can be done in an easier or safer way, then he can give his opinion without any fear. And if the suggestion is good, then immediate action is also taken on it. This makes the workers feel like part of innovation, not just laborious. This Toyota factory also plays a big role in the US economy. By employing more than 8,000 people, sourcing parts from local suppliers, and manufacturing vehicles in the US and selling them within the country, Toyota is working as a big economic engine. The employees here are not just getting a salary, but also a platform for future security, respect, and growth. And the most important thing is that the loyalty of the people working here is also tremendous. There are many people who have been working here for 10 to 15 years, and they say that the biggest advantage of working at Toyota is, you are heard. This is the reason why the atmosphere of this factory is not only productive but also positive. People work happily. And when there is happiness from within, that perfection is also visible in the vehicles. So when you wonder how these great cars are made, remember, behind them aren't just robots, but 8,000 hard-working, skilled, and respected people who take Toyota to new heights every day. This TMMK factory of Toyota is no longer the story of just petrol